doing bad, dog? Oh my gosh. Too much. 4 is too many with the hose. Seriously. Hey, Mo. Oh, what you doing? What are you doing? What you doing, little bean? What you doing, little baby? Little baby bean. You pop it. Hey, Jazz. Stop that naughty monkey. It's a bad dog. Hey, Jazzy, cut that out. It's really, really bad. You're naughty. Don't you teach your daughter any bad habits like that. That's very naughty. Jazzy, cut it out. Oh, you got a cut on your tongue, you retard. Gosh. Oh, Jim's home.